Keto, veggie, Bolognese. The key to making a good tomato sauce is to use good tomatoes. So in this recipe, I'm using these Cento organic tomatoes. These are whole peeled tomatoes and they come from Italy. And I'm also using a can of crushed Cento tomatoes. To add a bit of texture, I'm using these pure farmland veggie sausages, as well as 2 sticks of celery, a few carrots, cremini mushrooms, also known as baby portobello mushrooms, an onion, and a couple of cloves of garlic. To get started, we want to rough chop the vegetables, and then use a food processor to blend them into smaller pieces. Tool section, I've got a couple of recommended stick blenders with their food processor attachments. Dice the onion. And then with the garlic, I like to thinly slice it and just sort of make rough, big pieces. It makes the sauce a little bit meatier and it kind of gives the sauce a rustic look. With the whole tomatoes, we just want to use a stick blender to just roughly chop them up. Heat up a pot with some oil and fry your onions for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then add in the veggie patties. Next, add in the garlic, fry for another minute or so. Break up all of the patty pieces. Add in the minced vegetables, stir well, and fry for another 5 to 7 minutes. Add in the combined whole tomatoes that have been processed and the crushed tomatoes, and stir it up really good. Add in the salted black beans that have been soaked and mashed. Stir those in really well. And then for another little umami punch, I'm adding in my veggie beef broth replacer. And then let the sauce simmer for an hour and a half to 2 hours. Add salt to taste. And then add in the cream, stir it all up, and the sauce is ready to go. The veggie noodles are really simple. It's just spiralized zucchini. It's surprisingly good, especially if you fry them a little bit before serving. And there it is. Veggie bolognese that's super meaty and delicious. Done.